What's up, people? This is a very important video right here. So y'all know when y'all hear me, it's an important update. Anyways, y'all know how I keep it. I start y'all off right here in the 4 hour chart. And as y'all can see, I never remove my lines because it always comes into play. And as y'all can clearly see, these lines is being used. And like I said, that this is overextended. And look at where we stopped at. Right here. At the resistance line. Now let me pull out on the daily so I can see it even better. Right here. This is when we had that option. You remember way back here, back in May, when we should have went up. But like I said, they're literally staying in the same zone, waiting for an event to happen so they can crash the markets. So the thing is, this is a resistance line for a reason, because once we get up here, basically the next move it makes, it has to come all the way over here. I'm talking about what this is. Over $34,000. So imagine a move from now to $34,000. Like it started down here at 25, all the way to $34,000. That's what it would have to do, and then it will have to bounce off this same number, off around 31,500, and then continue up and break through that 34,000 again, in order for an uptrend. But like I said, these are the only two options we have. And I got to go out to the longer time frame. That's why I show y'all the long time frame so y'all can really see what's happening overall. Because people over here getting mad that I'm just being real. I might be one of the only real ones out here. Because, all I do is speak truth, literally. If you don't know about me, check out Universal P. Because everything correlates. And I be trying to tell people, don't let your feelings get mixed in this. That this game is an in and out game right now. It's not a hop in. But anyways, y'all see the lines, right? Look at the red line. Look at it. So basically, this is a resistance line. I picked this because of right here. Basically, this is the last spike up we had as we try to come up, basically indicating that that is a resistance level. Basically, as y'all can see, it perfectly lines up from these candles, even over here when they bounced off. So what's going to happen here is, right, that's one hit. This is two hits, and once again, they could extend this up to the third time. And like I said, the third time, it has to hit 34,000. Like it has to break through this candle right here. You see this one candle that bounced off the 100 EMA for support? Right here. We have to break through that candle and recover that candle for uptrend. But, like I said, look at that candle hasn't been recovered. This candle hasn't been recovered. None of these candles have been recovered. None of these candles has been recovered. And the last time before we made that what y'all call a bull market, which is just a markup phase, right here, we look at what happened. We had to recover everything from the last one. So every time there's a markup phase, right, there's a time where it literally comes back and recover everything. This is why you see on the weekly, you see such a big old spike right here. You don't see a spike that big nowhere else, or a bar that you don't see that large anywhere. Besides the last time, you don't see the only times they reset it. So they reset it this one time right here. That's one reset. And recover everything over here, right? Well, I don't feel like going way back too far, but y'all already get the picture because it's the same thing. You got that coming, recovering, and this one right here, you know what I'm saying? Look at the edge. It's very to the T. You see what this one right here bounced off, and that doji right there, exactly right there. It's clear as day. They have to come and recover that, and they recover it fast, and then they hop back up. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a fast uptrend, like I said. But when we make that 5,000 drop, it's gonna go right to 10,000 pretty fast. So anyways, that's why y'all got to keep your eye on the long-term chart, because we still haven't recovered none of this. So why would you think it's going to be an uptrend when there's no recovery? Like this recovery is going to be from right here. You see where the head and shoulders start at, right? And that doji is going to be from right here all the way down to $5,000, so around this general range. Basically recover this candlestick right here on top of 100 EMA. And then we're going to get a quick uptrend back up above $10,000. Like I said, y'all go out even further. Turn the pattern. Got the M to the W. Boom. In order to keep this valid on a monthly chart, we have to keep it above this red line, which is around $10,000. Because it can't basically close below. It can't close below this part right here in the middle of the W. And once it closes below, that means it's a total failure of the whole pattern, and things can fall even worse than what I'm talking about. But generally speaking, like I said, I believe coming out here, even the monthly chart shows it's not as bad on a monthly chart, but you can clearly see it. Oh, let me take the drawing off. You can see it much better now though. When it's off, you see all this green. That's why it came down real fast to recover half that. And you see, look right here, boom, boom, literally the exact same. And then right here on top, like that's why I said you can literally see what they're doing. It looked good now, but like I say, it could be bad. Like I said, but it's gonna be one candlestick that's gonna cover everything. Cause look, there's still 1-2 months right here that's in recent times that we need to be recovered. That's always 16,000. Like I said, the next drop is probably going to be 16,000. So the higher we go, the harder the drop going to be. But the higher we go, the more likely people going to hop back in and probably call me a perma beer. You get what I'm saying? It's all a mind game. They want you to think one way when it's really another. We see all the lawsuits. You know what I'm saying? You already seen me. If you've been watching my content, I've been being honest from the get-go. All I was saying, just don't go long. You get this pattern, you know what I'm saying? Work the 15-minute chart, the daily chart. Don't go long. It could just be 1 week, boom, you done. It could be 1 hour. You just never know. And that's what I'm trying to explain. We at that point to where it could be at any moment. So that's why I say short term is the best, you know what I'm saying, when you're working the charts. But long term right now, not looking so good. But yeah, quick recap. We already right here at this level. We got to come up to 34,000, right? And then come back down and bounce off 31,500. And we got to break through 34,000. And when we come back up here for the third time, again, to confirm an uptrend. But, like I say, most likely, we probably just going to get the reversal. It's going to go back down, hit this 20 EMA. It may even come down here to the 50, bounce around a bit, but it has to come back up to this line. And that's what's going to determine everything, because it has to come up and bounce off. Because it could still come up, but then it could crash on the retrace. And then let me show y'all again. So let me reverse back. On the weekly. Let me take this drone off so y'all see it. The last time we made a drop, right here, like I showed y'all, the complete reset of the market, right here. We had that up markup phase, reset, boom. This happened in 3 weeks, within 1 month. It completely reset the market, right? Keep that in mind. Look at this. Look at the candles. 1, 2, boom. Look at this. 1, boom. That's a dub, right? Goes up, come down, retrace. Goes up, come down, retrace. Both on a 20. Look, comes up, spikes up. Look, right here to the same level. Look, the same level as the hole that it's already in. Like right here. Look at the cup. Look at that cup. Boom. Look, it's doing the same thing, bro. I'm showing you right now. This is the same thing. The crash is about to happen within the next 3 weeks. So y'all better prepare yourselves, man. Look again. Boom. Drop. Boom, drop. Come all the way down to the W. Come all the way down to the W. Come all the way up here to recover that first drop. Boom. Downward. Look, 1, 2. 1, 2. Bruh. It's the same thing. This is the weekly chart. Within the next 3 weeks, the crash will start. If y'all can clearly see this, y'all can deny it all day and be in your feelings. Bitcoin does the exact same thing, and I've been showing y'all this for years now. Y'all better pay attention, man, because like I say, it's crunch time for real, man, because all they was really doing is holding the exact same zone. So even going long, you ain't getting no real money. I'm just being honest. Ain't no way you really got real money, because you'll make more money in the day. You just hop in and out. You gotta think. This whole point me showing y'all the pattern. Go in during the shorter time frames. Don't go long. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.